Hey, Mickey,
Hello.
can I start Fulfillment by Amazon without a mentor?
You absolutely can start using Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA without a mentor, or you can start with a mentor. That's also totally fine. There are a lot of really great mentors out there. You could probably try connecting with some of them in seller forums. These are more experienced sellers that you might be able to connect with directly inside Seller Central, either for general advice or for a specific question. You can also work with service providers. We have a whole network of third-party service providers you can take advantage of. You can work with these folks professionally. They can get you up to speed on fulfillment in general or specifically Fulfillment by Amazon. But you don't have to use a mentor. In fact, we provide a lot of resources so that sellers don't have to do that. A lot of them live on our website, sell.amazon.com. The very first resource I'd recommend is our Fulfillment by Amazon page. There are step-by-step directions on that page for getting started with the program. Everything from enrolling in the program to listing your products through the program. Once you've taken a look at that, go ahead and explore our blog. There are blog posts specifically on there for new FBA sellers. So step-by-step instructions for onboarding. There's a lot of video content in those blog posts. If you'd rather watch than read, that's totally fine. But there's a lot of content on the blog post. Don't forget the revenue calculator, especially if you're not sure if you want to use FBA. You can do a side-by-side comparison with that calculator for free. Take a look at what FBA might cost for a specific product, take a what another fulfillment method, your own fulfillment method might cost for a product, and just look at the calculations, then recalculate maybe to see if you want to adjust things. You can do it on a per product basis. It's easy and simple. Last but not least, the actual send to Amazon workflow is how a lot of sellers engage with FBA. It's how you're going to get your inventory from your own warehouse into the fulfillment network. There are steps within that process. We break it out for you to make it as simple as possible. And if you still need help, which is totally okay, go ahead and click the Learn More link up in the corner of each step. It'll take you to a video, it'll take you to help content, it'll take you to all the resources you need to understand the step and complete the step with confidence.